Hey, welcome back to the Mount Pleasant Farm Garage. And as the title suggests, we're going to do the cabin air filter on a 2018 Dodge Durango. Many similar in this generation. You can look up the years and see what gen yours is. This is a 2018 Durango cabin air filter replacement. Take you about 5 minutes. Let's do this. All right, first things first, there are no tools required for this job. You're going to enter in the passenger side of the vehicle up front by the glove box, okay? Open up that glove box and make sure it's empty, okay? Piece of cake, right? Next step, come to the left-hand side and you're gonna see there's a little catch right here, okay? You're gonna basically push, you're gonna bend this side of the glove box in slightly and pull. Let me see where I can get you so you can see it. I'm gonna pull this in just a little bit, and then, basically pull this thing out, just like that. Just hear it pop, I'll put it back in. It's in. Take your hands like this, watch that tab, and you're gonna be pulling towards you and in at the same time. It's gonna pop. That's all, just that little pop right there, okay? So I want you to envision on the bottom of this box, the hinges are basically hooks that go into a hinge point. You're going to back out here, and you're going to take this glove box. It's tethered on the right side, okay? You see that that tether right there? Okay, so you don't want to jerk this right side out. But this left side, you're basically going to lift up and away. It's going to sound like you're breaking something, but you're not, okay? So I'm just going to go, man, hear that pop? That was the hooks. And I'll show them when I get out of here. Disengaging from the hinge, okay? So just lift it up out of there. I'll get this here so you can see it, right? It's coming out now. See, you're just basically taking it out of the hinge track. There's the hooks right there. So you got 1, 2, and the third one there is still in. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a little more difficult than it really is. So I'm gonna take this side and lift it out. There, okay, it's popped out. Now we got it hanging by the tether. Just move that bad boy out of the way. Give yourself some room to work. Okay? Now we'll go in here and we'll get this thing out. So you look down underneath, back into the cavity here, up top right there, this black thing here is your cabin air filter housing. On the left-hand side, there's a little catch right here. You see that little catch? Push it in and pull. So you unlock it. It's going to hang up because there's another little catch right there in the middle. Just push that in. I'm going to give you a better camera angle. Hold on a second here. So we've got this part here that's loose, and right up here in the top there's another little button catch. So we're going to grab this side here, take your finger here and just push in on this button, this little thing, and it just pops right off, okay? And this comes out. Something to note here, on the end on the right hand side of this, you've got these two little bars, and they basically fit into some teeth back there. Make sure you can see this. So right there where it's going, you can see two teeth right there, and that's where these things fit, okay? They just pop in there, go over them when you're putting it back together, okay? But just so you know. So keep in mind, when you're putting this, before you throw this somewhere when you get the filter out, those two things go on the right-hand side. This catch goes on the left-hand side. So set that in the floor out of the way, then you can go ahead and pull this filter out of here. It literally just sits there. Note the direction of the arrow. See, that's this side down, or this side visible. The key is the arrow pointing down. And then you just take this thing and you just grab it and pull it out of there. Okay. She's out, and as you can see, it's filthy. There is bugs and all sorts of crap galore. Let's get that new filter. Okay, so I've got picked up a Fram, and this is the part number for the Fram, FSC111 883. There's a bunch of different brands. Just make sure it's for your 2018 Durango. All right, there's the new beautiful one as compared to the old one. And we'll go ahead and get this one installed. Like I said, you just note on the side, airflow down, okay? Okay, so installation is basically the reverse of removal, but I'm still gonna show it to you. So making sure we got the airflow correct here. Gonna go in. And get this thing up into that slot. And pop it in place. So there it is. I mean, it's literally as simple as pushing it in there. There's a little bit of interference here in this part of the glove box, but it's really not that big of a deal because that cabin air filter is very flexible. So you grab your cover. Remember, this part goes in first and it hooks onto the edge down there. Okay, so you push it in there. Make sure you hook on those two tabs. Like that. That's hooked in. Bring down here and just literally click. Click. It's in place. So that's the deal. Next, we need to get this glove box in. Okay, so you should be able to see this better now. This is on the back of the glove box. There's these 3 hooks, okay? And those 3 hooks go into these 3 open areas for the hinge. 1, 2, and 3. So basically, you're going to take this glove box. I'm going to back this camera out 1 second. Okay, so you take this glove box and you're going to bring it up. Just take a look at where those hooks are and align them to those areas. And it takes a little bit of a, you got to play with it a little bit to make sure it goes in right. You want it to go in right. Kind of set those hooks up on there. Okay? Once you feel like they're in place, this glove box should theoretically pop right in. I don't have them right. There we go. Now I got them right. Okay. Hear that click? There you go. Double check the glove box. Make sure it closes and opens right. It should come open slow like this. Then it should latch nicely when you close it back up. All right. There you have it. Okay, so like I said, 5 minutes. Took me maybe a couple minutes longer fiddling with the camera and everything else and trying to hold the stuff in one hand, but you by yourself, it's not a problem, okay? This, you know, don't force it, don't break anything. Just remember those hooks in the hinge. Make sure you get them in place before you close that box up and it'll click. Questions, comments, anything like that, please put them in the comments below. I appreciate you watching. If you got suggested videos for the Dodge Durango, you need to know something, please let me know. Otherwise, talk to your friends, share the channel, and I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day, and as always, keep getting after it.